Morning folks, welcome to PropChat. So it's Thursday morning, I think it's the 19th, our last day in the office tomorrow. So we're actually closing the office from tomorrow until the 2nd of January. Next year, we're quite well set up for being closed, if you like. We have out of hours services, we've got a computerized sort of maintenance reporting system, and we've also got staff monitoring all the systems and emails during that period as well. So what that means is that I'm off to Spain. So yeah, we're having a family Christmas in Spain this year, so that'll make a nice change. We went for New Year, so we went just, I think, day after Boxing Day a couple of years ago. So we're going to be there for Christmas Day. Christmas Day is not such a big thing in Spain. Their biggest celebration is Three Kings, which is 6th of January. But obviously we'll be back for that. So we've not been there for Three Kings yet, but no doubt that will come in the next couple of years. So yeah, we're off to the airport on Saturday. We're flying over on Sunday, first thing. So Sunday afternoon we'll be there. We've rented an Airbnb, which we've rented previously the same one. Last time we went, we had the same one, so we know what we're getting, we know where we're going. Excuse me. It's a 3-bed apartment, but it's what they call an upper bungalow. So it's basically like the top floor of a 2-story house with a balcony and a sun terrace. So yeah, it'd be nice. Obviously it's winter, so weather isn't as good as it would be other times of the year, but we still should be looking at 20 plus during the day. Generally about 4 o'clock it gets really chilly. Well, not really chilly. You notice the difference after about 4 o'clock when the sun's going down. So you'd put a hoodie on or something, cardigan, jumper, or whatever on an evening, but it's still really nice. Generally most days are bright sunshine, blue sky, so it's a nice place to be. So yeah, really looking forward to that. This year has been, what a massive year really. Sometimes it's easy to forget what you've achieved, but we've achieved a lot this year, and you know, we've bought a business, we've took on new staff, we've put in new systems, we've gained new clients, we've increased our revenue, you know, so we've done loads of stuff. And next year's set to be fantastic as well. So we've got some stuff that's been planned for a long time in terms of developments, so hopefully they'll come to fruition next year. As I said the other day, we're also looking to get into some smaller projects. It's the opposite way to what most property investors do. You know, most property investors will start off small and try or aim to get into larger projects. Obviously, having done a few larger projects, they are, you know, the great, the you know, meaty to get your teeth stuck into. The returns are bigger, but the downside is they take a lot longer to do. They often take a lot longer to get to even start, because chances are on a larger project you're going to need planning permission. So unless you're lucky enough to get a pipeline going, which obviously needs a lot more money, but if you get a pipeline it's not so bad. But you know, generally we have gaps in between our projects. Last time it was only a couple of months, so that worked out well. This time it's been a year, because we didn't get planning permission initially. So hopefully that'll all come good in the new year, and then back end of the summer we'll start that major project. But in the meantime, yeah, we want to do some smaller projects, so refurbs or BRRs as people call them, on some sort of simple buy-to-let type stuff, and maybe some smaller commercial conversions. Some, you know, a shop and uppers into 1 or 2 flats would be easy enough to do as well. So we'll keep our eyes peeled for something like that as well. So yeah, looking forward to next year. Be glad to get this year over with in a sense, but be glad to just get a holiday, have a refresh, you know, just recharge the batteries, ready for next year. Obviously I've mentioned we're going to be doing a lot more YouTube content next year, so that's another challenge that we've taken on. So that'll be interesting to see how that goes. So I'm spending a lot of time at the minute just learning YouTube stuff, editing stuff. So I've previously used iMovie because I use Mac. I've used a couple of others in the past, but I've just gone on to CapCut, which is a free software, one of the leading free softwares. There's obviously a paid version which I'll go on to very soon, just to get more features. But I want to, before I do that, I want to get to grips with the basics of it and make sure that it is the system I want to use, because I have a tendency to jump into new shiny things. You know, they say that's what entrepreneurs are like. You know, they like new shiny things, they get bored easy, and that's me 100%. So I tend to jump into buying softwares and stuff. I've got some AI software which I'm going to cancel because I've had a few goes at using it. It's not doing what it's meant to do for me, so I'm going to cancel that. So I think giving things a try is great, you know, but don't hang on to them if they don't work. So yeah, I'm just in the process of learning a lot of stuff about YouTube. I did started the channel 3 or 4 years ago, but only ever put, I think, 5 or 6 videos on it. So they're still on there, but now I've sort of put myself out there and gone public that I'm gonna do it. And obviously these videos that you're watching now are going to be posted from the YouTube channel rather than from Facebook, just to help promote the channel and get people on there. So, you know, please like and subscribe. So see you soon, folks. Take care.